Hello students. So we have to do this question. I'm going to this question is based on capacitor charging and discharging, where resistance and capacitor both are there, right? So let's just get started. A circuit is connected as shown in figure, right? This figure. Please forgive me for this bad figure. I made it by myself. And okay, with switch S open. So this is the switch S which is open. When switch is closed, let me just close the switch. Now it is closed. The total amount of charge that flows from the y to x. So from y to x, total amount of charge you have to find out. Very easy question, but you must understand couple of things. Without that you cannot do this question, right? And what are those things? Let's just understand those fundamental concepts, right? So firstly, read the words in the exam very carefully. So total amount of this total word, right? This is changing everything. So total amount of charge when we are saying, so see, question does not mention when, like whether it is steady state, unsteady state, or what. So just when you will switch off the just when you will close the switch, not switch off, but close the switch, what will happen? These two capacitors will start to get charged. ये charge होने लगेंगे, right? 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. Now tell me one thing. When steady state will be reached, then we can calculate the total amount of charge that flows from y to x, right? That's when this total suggests you that we are talking about the steady state, right? तो steady state में क्या होगा? You must understand that in case of steady state, when these two और एक चीज steady state reach कब करेगा, right? Steady state will reach when these capacitors will be charged fully. दोनों capacitor will be charged fully, right? When capacitor is charged fully, there is no current flowing in this arm of the wire, right? So all the current is going to flow from this, right? current will current will flow only through the resistance. Now tell me one thing, what is the total resistance? 9 ohm series 6 plus 3. Now what is the voltage across this total resistance? 9 volt, right? Now what is the current, total current? V upon R, right? So 9 upon 9, 9 upon 9, that is 1 amps, 1 ampere, right? 1 ampere. Now 1 ampere current will be here, 1 ampere current will be here. Tell me what is the voltage across 3 volt? Voltage across 3 ohm resistor is equal to IR, right? That would be 3 volt. And what would be voltage across this 6 ohm resistor, right? V6 ohm is equal to IR again 6 volt, right? Now these configurations when switch is closed, so this first loop here, this configuration will act as a capacitor and resistance in parallel. So जो भी voltage यहाँ होगा 3 ohm के across, वही same voltage होगा 3 microfarad के across. So voltage across 3 microfarad here is 3 volt, and voltage across this here voltage would be 6 volt, right? Now you can calculate the charge q equal to cv, very easy, right? So यहाँ पे q क्या हो जाएगा? q equal to cv. c क्या है? Capacitance, that is 3 microfarad into voltage. How much? 9 microcoulomb, right? This is q1. Let me call it q1. And what would be q2? q2 would be cv again, 6 into 6, 36 microcoulomb, right? You know Q2, you know Q1. आप पता है कैपेसिटर का नोटेशन ऐसे होता है प्लस क्यू सेम माइनस क्यू, राइट? सो जो नेगेटिव वाला टर्मिनल होगा और यहाँ पॉजिटिव वाला होगा, सो Q1 फर्स्ट कैपेसिटर से कितना चार्ज ट्रांसफर होगा 6 माइक्रोफैरड में? माइनस Q1, राइट? तो माइनस से किधर जाएगा? प्लस की तरफ. तो माइनस Q1 इधर आ गया. और what is the remaining charge in the capacitor? 6 microfarad. 36 minus 9, that is 27 microcoulomb, and that 27 microcoulomb is going to go all the way through this from y to x. Now इसमें एक चीज always remember this thing: when the capacitor is charged fully, eventually it is going to discharge, right? And this charging and discharging phenomenon will keep repeating itself, right? So this is what you have to understand. So what is the amount of charge? 27 microcoulomb will pass from y to x, right? This question was asked here in 2007, and what was the answer? C, 27 microcoulomb. So I have taken this paper from official website of JEE, IIT JEE, right? So good. ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन, conceptual question, you can see it from my YouTube channel. I have done till now this a lot of question. This is which question? 38th question till now. So you can go through all the videos, right? And you can do the question. So please subscribe to my channel if you have already not done so. अभी तक नहीं किया तो subscribe कर लो. You will get the notification every time I will make the video, and you can just quickly do the question, right? Just for revision. आप साथ में parallelly आप जहाँ कहीं भी पढ़ते रहो, please पढ़ते रहो, ठीक है? Keep practicing. Just for the practice purpose, just watch the video right then and that time. जब भी मैं upload करूँ, तुरंत देख लो. Have a great learning. All the best. Thank you. So do like the video. If you have any suggestion, do comment it and share the video among your friends. Talk about my channel. You can get benefit. You can just ask the question through my Telegram group, or you can just ask through the comment section. Thank you so much.